This year has been remarkably rich in progress in the field of robotics and high technology, with dozens of exhibitions showcasing advanced robots have taken place over the past year. China has traditionally held the lead in this area for several years, with their robots truly astonishing the imagination, and exhibitions featuring Chinese robots have literally taken the internet by storm. However, unexpectedly, Russian robots have also reminded the world of their presence. Recently, an exhibition of advanced humanoid and other types of robots was held in Russia. While Russian robots are certainly behind their Chinese counterparts from a technical perspective, the exhibition this year demonstrated that the gap is not as vast as it once seemed. The exhibition, called the Robot Ball, became a truly significant event in the world of technology and entertainment. It was a large-scale interactive exhibition featuring more than 40 robots from around the world. Visitors not only had the opportunity to witness cutting-edge achievements in robotics, but also to interact with the robots, observing how they engaged with each other and with people. One of the standout participants was Elisa, an anthropomorphic robot created by Russian scientists from the neurobotics company. Another highlight of the exhibition was the robot Pushkin, who recited poems of his own creation, leaving a strong impression on visitors, particularly school children. The exhibition showcased robots from various categories, ranging from humanoid robots to robot musicians. The Robot Ball event was more than just an exhibition. It was a true celebration of science and technology. Here you could witness robots dancing and interacting with each other, performing complex tasks and assisting people. In this video, we've gathered all the best exhibits from the show, so you can decide for yourself how far Russian robotics has advanced in creating ultra-realistic and sophisticated robotic machines. One of the most interesting events of the show was the duet between the famous Russian singer Nadezhda Babkina and the humanoid robot Arty, where they performed a song together on stage. For the joint performance, they chose the song My Homeland. After the incredible performance, Babkina told journalists that she has always supported experiments in creativity and innovation. The creative collaboration with the advanced humanoid robot equipped with artificial intelligence was a real challenge for her, which she gladly accepted. The vibrant performance showcased a fusion of traditional art and modern technology. Nadezhda Babkina rated the vocal abilities of the humanoid robot from Perm quite highly, but also cautioned against relying too heavily on neural networks. There should always be a sense of balance, the artist believes. As for the robot Arty, it can express emotions, play, sing, and interact with a conversational partner. The development is based on software with motion capture technology, which reproduces human emotions, facial expressions, and gestures. According to the developers, the goal of the project is to present advanced robotics and artificial intelligence capabilities, inspire and entertain audiences, and demonstrate the potential of robots in various areas of life and business. Another truly shocking event was the actual flirt between humanoid robot Elisa Zelenogradova and the well-known robot Gagarin. Elisa has already made several public appearances, but Gagarin's performance was somewhat surprising. Interestingly, the robot bears a suspicious resemblance to Stephen Hawking. However, the strangest part of this duo was the dialogue played out between them. Gagarin's head, filled with wires, nervously wobbled because the robot looks at the surrounding people through cameras, and since there were many people around, the camera constantly switched from one face to another, making it look like a spasm. Despite his anxious state, Gagarin managed to have a coherent conversation with Elisa Zelenogradova. The conversation between the androids was polite and proper, complete with all the necessary pleasantries and even a bit of flirting. While Elisa's phrases were pre-programmed, Gagarin responded using phrases from his vocabulary. Elisa is a full 2 meters tall and was created to resemble a real woman that can move her neck and arms, gesture, establish eye contact, and speak. She also recognizes and mirrors human emotions, which her creators believe could be useful in medicine and education when interacting with people. The company Neurobotics showcased its anthropomorphic robot Pushkin at the exhibition, created using advanced biocontrol technologies. This robot became one of the most memorable figures at the event, where it recited poems by Pushkin, and its appearance was specifically designed to recreate the image of the poet. The developers used a biocontrolled system that allowed visitors to send simple commands to the robot through a special helmet with sensors. The unique feature of the Pushkin robot was not only its ability to read poetry, but also its realistic silicone mask, which closely imitated the poet's facial features. The robot's facial expressions were controlled by 18 servos, ensuring smooth and natural facial movements. In dim lighting or photographs, the robot's face appeared almost indistinguishable from that of a human, leaving a strong impression on visitors. Additionally, the robot could interact with other anthropomorphic robots, making it a key element of the entire exhibition. The company Neurobotics also showcased its humanoid robot Betsy at the exhibition, which captured visitors' attention not only with its human-like appearance, but also with its capabilities. This robot is capable of performing a variety of tasks related to diagnostics, health monitoring, and providing psychological support. Betsy can adapt its appearance. It can be dressed in a uniform, have its facial features modified, or have design elements added to match the organization's style. The robot can display various nonverbal signals, such as smiling, nodding, or winking. In addition to medical functions, Betsy is also equipped to offer psychological support, engaging with people in a friendly manner through smiles, winks, and conversation. Moreover, Betsy was designed with a modular construction, allowing for easy software updates and the expansion of its functionality. The world's most beautiful humanoid robot with artificial intelligence, created by the Russian company Promobot named Dunyasha, treated all exhibition visitors to delicious ice cream. Dunyasha is a cashier robot with a human appearance. What makes this robot unique is its ability to get acquainted with people, recognize them on return visits, and engage in conversations on both spontaneous and pre-programmed topics. Additionally, thanks to artificial intelligence, Dunyasha has her own personality. A particular point of pride for the specialists is the skin-like covering that makes Dunyasha look less like a plastic doll. It has high elasticity and closely resembles real human skin, allowing the artificial facial muscles to move with great precision. Canadian developers from the EatArt Foundation brought their unique robot named Mondo Spider to the exhibition, immediately drawing attention with its unusual design and impressive features. This robot is a massive walking machine that moves using 8 steel legs, powered by a clan linkage mechanism which mimics the movement of a spider. Mondo Spider can carry one person and move at a pace comparable to a brisk walk. The robot weighs about 730 kilograms, measuring 2.4 meters in length, 2.4 meters in width, and 1.5 meters in height. It is equipped with a 24 horsepower electric motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 1.2 meters per second, with a range of 14 kilometers on a single charge. Initially, the robot was powered by gasoline engines, but was later upgraded to a fully electric version, making it the world's first zero-emission walking machine. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.